Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode, a new unboxing, and this time we have something a little bit more special. It is the Renault 124 Alpine A110. It is the first kit I've ever bought from Renault. They're a French manufacturer. They do have a lot of French cars in their collection, and I've chosen this beautiful Renault to share with you guys today. As I said, first kit I'm buying from them, so let's see what's what. Let's have a look inside, and first the body of the car. Not that big, I have to be honest. You know, the car is quite small but quite detailed. The bonnet is, you know, it's not separate, but remember this car is a rear mounted engine, so we do have an engine on this kit, and you can see it at the back, so that's good. Let's see the interior. Quite basic. Don't forget this is a rally car, so there's not a lot of details on the interior because it is basic itself. We have the seats, racing seats, then the engine parts, steering wheel. Those are a few wheel parts, and maybe the headlights. And we have the interior with the door cards, other parts from the exterior, suspension, and the wheels. The wheels are, you know, classical. It's an old car, so not that exciting, but again, don't forget it's a rally car. And only two screws left. We have the clear parts with the windows, headlights, and so on, and the actual rubber parts, the wheels. It does come with those I would say they're rubber wires for the engine, I think, and some rubber mud guards, I think they're called. But yeah, it's a really nice touch. And the last part of it is the superb decal sheet. Although it looks very good, don't think I'm gonna build this one based on the rally car. I might just build it as it is, as a street car, but I have to admit it really looks good, and yeah, I might actually go for them. I don't know, I'll decide. Let me know what you think. So that's it, that's the car. It doesn't look much on a first glance, but I think it has huge potential to become a classic in my collection. So I'm actually looking forward to build this one, and I'll show you guys the result after, and then after build review, just to let you know how it went and if it's worth buying this kit. Until next time, take care, bye bye.